Hi, I'm JMO from Xcase in the UK, www.xcase.co.uk. Please take a look at my website. So, on my bench today, I've got a product by a company called Xigmatek. They do various chassis, gaming chassis, etc. And we bought this product in specifically because it's just a monster of a case. Ideal for us because we build up a lot of dual processor and quad processor servers. And whereas a lot of them are in rack mounts, some people do want a large tower chassis. However, forgetting us, it's also going to suit a lot of people into the gaming scene and the water cooling scene. So, let's have a look first of all from the front. We've got 12 vented 5.25 bays. Onto the top we've got 2 USB 3s, 2 standard USBs, eSATA and audio. There's a little plate here that you can... Great. There you go. That can cover those up. Neat this is. There you go. In there you can stick a 3.5-inch hard drive, which then connect directly to your motherboard. So you could, for instance, use various OSs, or have a hard drive for gaming, have a hard drive for work, etc. Or you could just use it as a backup storage device. Power switch is there. And on the front you've got activity light for power and HDD. Looking to the side, we've got this massive side window, acrylic side window, with a 250mm fan fitted as standard to the side. Let's get that panel off. And instantly you'll see it's just got bags of room in it. An example, here's a 12x13 full-size dual processor motherboard. So this is much bigger than a standard ATX. And well, it just gets swamped in this chassis, just bags of room. It also, I'm quite sure, fit the quad processor AMD boards. Standard, we've got this 140mm fan at the back, 7 large water cooling holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 expansion slots. Loads of places recessed behind the motherboard plate and the side panel for cabling and tubing. Your power supply goes at the bottom, and just stacks of room. Don't even think about to worry about the size of your video cards, because there's nothing that's made that's going to come anywhere near as far as from here to here. Internally, although we've got these 5.25 bays times 12, the bottom ones are divided into these 2 3.5-inch drive cages, which can be removed, and each one will fit 5 hard drives. of the chassis are vented. And no doubt you could stick some further fans or some water cooling equipment at the top. Now it comes with these standard feet. However, looking in the box bits, you can see these wheel casters. So if you want it as a server, you will be able to wheel it around. Now, I was really impressed with the chassis. I thought it was going to really do us well in a lot of scenarios, and then something really disappointing came to my attention. We do these kits, yeah, I'm sure you know about them, 5 in 3s, where you can fit 5 hard drives in 3 caddies, in 3 5.25 bay caddy. So basically use 3 of the 5.25 bays and you can fit 5 hot swap drives into it, with the caddies showing at the front. However, unfortunately and foolishly, I don't know if you can see, there are lips on each of the 5.25 bays. Most of the caddies on the market are solid sides, smooth sides. So the only way you're going to be able to fit them in is by cutting off these lips, which is a bit of a pain. I don't really see why they fitted them, but there you go. Can't have everything, I suppose. So, I think that's about all I'm going to say on this subject. Oh, I haven't said its name. It's called an Elysium. I think that's how it's pronounced. It's really very solid. Definitely ideal for a water cooling project. Definitely a good server chassis. All in all, I do like it. It's just a shame about the 5.25 bay lips. That's it. Thanks for listening.